Well, let's now go back once again live to Matoshri, where Tejas Mehta joins us. Tejas, we've now seen a number of Shiv Sena leaders emerging in and out from Matoshri. We've also got some details from Bharat Kumar Raut from inside Matoshri on what exactly is going on. But have the crowds continued to increase at Matoshri, or are people essentially now waiting for tomorrow, where they can actually go and pay their last respects either at Sena Bhavan or at Shivaji Park?
Well, Vasu, crowds are certainly increasing here at Matoshri, given the fact that this is the epicenter, this is where the heart of the story really lies, where Balasaheb Thackeray's body has been brought down from the second floor to the ground floor, and this is where they will all pay the last respects, where, of course, every Shiv Sainik will not be allowed inside. Only senior leaders and all dignitaries are coming in at this point of time are allowed inside. But of course, crowds are made up of Shiv Sainiks and ardent Balasaheb Thackeray followers. They want to come here to just mourn along with everybody else and see what's really happening here. We can't really show you from here where we are, because we have been pushed way back inside. You can see the security cordon here. This is of course for the media, for our protection. But beyond there, you can see the flag of the Shiv Sena flag there beyond those trees there, and that's exactly where the crowds are actually waiting down. That's the arterial road which is linking Bandra and Dharavi. So that's where at least about 1,000 Balasaheb Thackeray's workers, his Shiv Sainiks and all his fans and followers are all waiting outside. They are calm now, Vasu. Let me assure you. Sometime back they were a little aggressive. They were a little excited and of course very tense and nervous as to what was really happening here. But after repeated appeals which were made by Sanjay Raut and other senior leaders like Anil Desai, MP from Rajya Sabha of the Shiv Sena, they made several appeals on the loudspeakers. The police also made several appeals. After that, there has been a sense of calm. On my right, if the camera person can pan, we can also show you that the media is waiting here, because on the other side is, of course, we have the main gate of Matoshri itself, and that's where Uddhav Thackeray is supposed to come out from and perhaps address the media along with Raj Thackeray and perhaps Aditya also. Joining me now is my colleague Miloni Bhatt also. Miloni, the main concern at this point of time, of course, is the emotions of all Shiv Sainiks who are coming out here. We saw some time back they did get a little apprehensive and a little excited about what is really happening, but certainly things Mumbai is shutting down. We have seen several shops shut down here in this area, Dadar area and Kolaba, and also other parts of the state of Maharashtra like Satara, establishments and offices, everything shutting down.
Yes, that is right. What we are seeing is a coordinated kind of a shutdown. Now remember that, this is just early hours into the news. We've just got this news a couple of hours ago that Shiv Sena's Supremo Bal Thackeray is no more. Now, Mumbai city has always witnessed a kind of a shutdown when there has been a negative news connotation associated with this Shiv Sena. That is what Mumbai is seeing. It's not so much as fear. It's just that the economic hub of India cannot any longer, Tejas, afford this cost of vandalism. So people would prefer to shut down rather than be targeted, and that is the response that Mumbaikars are generally giving. We've heard the agitated mobs right now, so much so that the cops have requested even the media to not cover the mobs because they're fearing that the media will be targeted. So it is this kind of a response. Now, this is just planning. As far as people are concerned, it's a self-preservation psyche which has kicked in since many years, especially for Mumbaikars. So this is what we are seeing. We've also seen that in a couple of hours, perhaps even tomorrow, we might see a couple of establishments open up. But this is just early hours into the news, and yes, there is a shutdown on the streets of Mumbai, though I think the point has to be made that it is largely peaceful. We haven't heard any news or reports of violence which have been reported. So people are calm, and there are a lot of exhortations which are being made by Sena leaders themselves, right, saying that people need to stay calm.
Also importantly, because the main issue really here is that Sena workers, Shiv Sainiks, they all want to come as close as possible to the gates of Matoshri. The important message really is that from tomorrow onwards, 7 in the morning, at Shivaji Park, they can go down there and pay their respects to where Balasaheb Thackeray's body will be kept.
Yes, the initial information that we have at this point is that the body is going to be taken from here to Shivaji Park. It is going to be laid final darshan, and they're expecting huge crowds. 3 to 5 lakh people is the information that we've got from our corps, from our sources who are saying that that's how it's going to be. So there's also, Tejas, I think what is important to note is that they're going to take this yatra from Matoshri up to Dadar. Now we know that it's not so much of a distance by car, but if they manage to take it out, then it can take about 3 to 5 hours. Though we don't know at this point whether they are planning that kind of a procession or whether they are going to take the body there and then just expect people to come in there, and then the final rites expected later in the day.
That's what actually Sanjay Rao did mention, that he would give further details as to what the plan really is, Srinivasan, because are they really starting Are they reaching Shivaji with where the darshan can begin by 7 o'clock? The difference between that, if they have to start at 7 o'clock, they'll only reach perhaps at 11 o'clock or so. If they have to keep the body there ready by 7 o'clock, then they have to begin at least at about 4 in the morning, because the procession, of course, is expected to be largely, of Mumbaikars, all, and of course people coming from Pune, from Nashik, Thane. These are all Shiv Sena strongholds. So they'll all be coming down to Mumbai, and as Minoni pointed out, at least about 3 to 5 lakh people expected at Shivaji Park. It's here in Mumbai and at Matoshri.
Right. We've just lost signal with Tejas Mehta and Miloni Bhatt at Matoshri, but we will come back to that in just a second. But now it seems that we have very much clearly the drill that is expected to be followed right into this evening and tomorrow as far as the last rites of Balasaheb Thackeray are concerned. But let's continue to now get reactions. We've heard a series of political reactions, but we'll also try and get you reactions from prominent Mumbaikars as they begin to voice their first thoughts about the passing of Balasaheb Thackeray. But those are the images coming in from Matoshri at the moment, where again there's a huge police presence and a number of Shiv Sainiks who've been coming in, reacting to the news. We are seeing expressions of grief, of disbelief. Also, the news also just being digested because of the fact that this has not been a shock in that sense. It has been building up over the past week or so, with his health gradually deteriorating. So, in a way, his support base and his loyalists being prepared for this moment when it actually finally does come. But we'll also try and put on once again for you Bharat Kumar Raut, who we spoke to a short while ago, who was at Matoshri, in fact, and who was reporting on some very emotional scenes from inside Matoshri. Let's listen in to what he had to say.
At Matoshri now, Honorable Thackeray's body is being brought down from the second floor to the main hall, and there it will be kept for the Antadarshan of his Kalanagar residence and some Shiva Saints. And then in the morning it will be taken to Shivaji Park for that Sena Bhavan.
Oh, I see.
So at present it is on the second floor, and some dressing is being done, and then it will be brought down in another 15-20 minutes.
I see. That's a very important information you've given us, that Balasaheb Thackeray's body will be brought down from the second floor, which is the floor that he is traditionally occupied in Matoshri. Brought down, kept there for the Antadarshan for the Kalanagar residents of that area.
Kalanagar, and also other near ones, close ones.
Right. And then tomorrow it will be taken to Shivaji Park.
Yeah, early morning it will be taken to Shivaji Park, Shiva Sena Bhavan. And then there will be Antadarshan till about, I think it will go on to 5:30.